Good morning, it's Sunday. This is Guru's Tech Bytes, episode 79. Pour the coffee, jiggle the mouse so the computer thinks you're ambitious, and let's look at the internet before it looks back at us. First up, Loupe is an iOS app from the Mysk folks that shows what native apps can see on your phone. It's basically holding up a flashlight under the couch and going, "Hey pal, that's not lint, that's your location habits, your clipboard crumbs, and maybe your contact vibes." I like it because privacy settings usually feel like trying to read a restaurant menu through a car windshield in the rain. Second, SMPTE is making its standards freely accessible, which is huge for video engineers, broadcasters, and anybody who has ever wondered why one HDMI cable can ruin an entire afternoon. Standards are the plumbing of media tech. Nobody claps for them until the basement floods during dinner. Now more people can actually read the rulebook without pawning a kidney, and that means better tools, cleaner workflows, happier nerds, and fewer mystery boxes labeled professional format. Third, a reverse engineering project for the old DOS game F-15 Strike Eagle 2 needs DOS test pilots. That's not a sentence, that's a museum docent handing you a joystick and saying, "Try not to crash history." But it matters, because preserving software is not just keeping a zip file in a drawer. You need people who remember how the thing felt, where it broke, and why the pixels made your uncle yell at the beige computer. And finally, Cloudflare is talking about temporary accounts for AI agents. This is the grown-up version of giving the intern a guest badge instead of the master key to the server room. If agents are going to book things, fetch data, or poke APIs, they need identity that expires before it turns into a tiny robot squatter. Huh? Okay, that's something. That's your Daily Byte. Have a great day. Until next time.